In this video, we shall be looking at 1. Factorization of simple algebraic expression. 2. Simplification of algebraic expression of fractions with monomial denominators. 3. Factorization of the algebraic of the form ax squared plus bx plus c, where a, b, c are constants. So let's look at factorization of algebraic expression. This is simply the reverse of expansion. So if I have 2a plus 2b, factorizing this, I have 2 common to both sides. So I bring out 2. So I have 2 into bracket a plus b. That is, if I expand this, I have 2a plus 2b. So this is called factorization. I've just factorized 2a plus 2b. So what I've just done here is factorization. Note, in factorization of expression involving 2 or more terms, all what you need to do is find the factors common to all the terms in the expression. Example, factorize the following. 1. xy plus x. 2. 4x minus xy. Solution. How do I do the first one? I have xy plus x. I have x to be common in both. So if I remove x from y, I'm left with y. So also, if I remove x from x, the coefficient of x here is what? 1, because 1 times x will give me x, so I'm left with 1. So here I have x into bracket y plus 1. So number 2 says 4x minus 8y. So let's get the factors of 4. The factors of 4 are 1, 2, and 4. That is, those are the numbers that can divide 4 without a remainder. Also, let's look at the factors of 8. I have 1, 2, 4, and 8. So here, I have just 3 factors common to both, which are 1, 2, and 4. And the highest of them is what? 4. So 4 can go in both. So I have 4 outside, 4 in 4 will go out. I'm left with x, then 4 in 8y will be left with 2. So 4 times 2 will give me, so I have 4 out. So I have 4 into bracket x minus 2y. Also, let's look at simplification of algebraic expression of fractions with monomial denominators. What do I mean by this? In an algebraic expression of the form 1 over a plus 1 over b, this is an example of algebraic expression of fraction with monomial denominators. So to simplify this further, what do? I have 1 over a plus 1 over b. So what do? I find the LCM of both, which will give me what? AB. So if I say a in b, I'll be left with b. So b times 1 will give me what? B, plus b in ab will give me a times 1 will give me a. So I have b plus a all over ab. So let's solve some examples so that you'll be able to understand what I'm saying here. So example 1 says 1 over x plus 2 over 3x. So, and example 2 says 2 over y minus 1 over 5y. So let's solve the first one. How do I do this? So I have 1 over x plus 2 over 3x. So what is the LCM of x and 3x? That should be what? 3x. So if I say x in 3x will give me what? 3. 3 times 1 will give me 3. So I write down 3 plus 3 in x. 3 in 3x will give me 1. 1 times 2. So I have 3 plus 2 all over 3x. So which will give me 5 all over 3x. So let's look at example second one. So it says 2 over y minus 1 over 5y. Our SCM will be what? 5y. So I have y in 5, I have 5 times 2 will give me 10. Then 5y in 5y will give me 1. 1 times 1 will give me 1. So I have 10 minus 1 all over 5y. So I have 9 over 5y. Can you see that? So let's move to the third one. It says factorization of algebraic term of the form ax squared plus bx plus c, where a, b, c are constants. So to factorize expression of the form ax squared plus bx plus c, we express it as a product of its linear factor. So how do we do so? Let's look at this example. Example says factorize a squared plus 2a minus 3. How do we do this? Solution. Firstly, we get the product of the first and the last term. Our first term is a squared and our last term here is minus 3. So a squared times minus 3 will give me what? 3a squared. So after getting this, we get the factors of minus. I have minus 3a squared as the answer. So I find the factors of minus 3a squared, which will give me minus 3a and a, or plus 3a and minus a. If you multiply minus 3a and plus a, it will give you minus 3a squared. And if you multiply plus 3a and minus a, it will give you minus 3a squared. So that two factors we have gotten there. So what do? We sum up the two factors. So summing up the factors, we have the first one says minus 3a plus x, which will give me what? Minus 2a. Or the second one, which is plus a plus 3a minus a, which will give me what? Plus 2a. So, and if you check in our equation, I have a squared plus 2a minus 3. So focusing on the plus 2a, which of the factors when we added them together gave us plus 2a? That's plus 3a minus a. So we are going to be making use of that. So we substitute plus 3a minus a for 2a. So we have a squared plus 2a minus 3. So here instead of writing our 2a now, we put plus 3a minus a. So I have a squared plus 3a minus a minus 3. So can you see, instead of 2a we put plus 3a minus a. So what do we do here? We factorize it. We put a squared plus 3a in bracket, and we put minus a minus 3 in bracket. So factorizing the first bracket, what is common? A is common. So if I bring single a out, I have a into bracket, what? I'll be left with 1a, a plus what? 3 minus what is common in both in the second bracket, that's minus 1. So if I bring minus 1 out, I'm left with a plus 3. So our answer is a into bracket a plus 3 minus 1 into bracket a plus 3. So I have